Is your newborn wide awake at night and sleeping all day? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many babies experience what's called day-night confusion in their first weeks. In this video, we'll explain why it happens, and I'll share simple, gentle strategies to help reset your baby's internal clock, so you can both get better rest. Why it happens. Newborns don't yet know the difference between day and night. In the womb, there's no sunrise or sunset, just constant darkness and the soothing rhythm of mum's heartbeat. After birth, it takes time for their circadian rhythm, that's the body's internal clock, to adjust to the outside world. This means your baby may sleep long stretches during the day and then stay wide awake at night, when you're most exhausted. The good news is, this is temporary, and with a few daily habits, you can gently guide them into a more natural sleep-wake cycle. Daytime tips. First, let's talk about daytime. Expose your baby to natural light. Open the curtains in the morning and spend time near a window or outdoors. Daylight helps signal to your baby's body that it's time to be awake. Keep the house lively. Don't worry about normal daytime noise, like talking, cooking, or the TV in the background. These cues teach your baby that daytime is active time. Offer more awake interaction. After feeds, try short, gentle play, eye contact, tummy time, or singing softly. This helps your baby connect daytime with stimulation. Nighttime tips. Now, let's look at nighttime. Dim the lights. Keep the room dark with blackout curtains or a soft nightlight. Darkness signals sleep. Lower your voice and keep interactions calm. During night feeds, avoid stimulating play. Speak gently and keep eye contact minimal. Use white noise if needed. A soft sound machine or gentle shushing can recreate the womb environment and help your baby settle faster. Consistent bedtime routine. Even with newborns, simple cues like a warm bath, dimming the lights, or reading a soft story before bed signal that nighttime sleep is coming. How long does it take? Most babies start to grow out of day-night confusion within 6 to 8 weeks. By around 2 to 3 months, many begin to sleep for longer stretches at night. Remember, every baby is different, so patience is key. The aim isn't to force a schedule but to gently guide them towards understanding day and night. So if your baby has their days and nights mixed up, remember, it's normal, it's temporary, and you can help reset their clock with light, activity, and gentle routines. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Baby Care Tips UK for more trusted guidance on newborn sleep, feeding, and parenting. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest sleep struggle right now?